Today, we explore blood pressure, a manageable risk factor often ignored until it is too late. High blood pressure silently damages your blood vessels every single day. Most people just think about cutting down their daily salt intake. However, Dr. Alex reveals 7 hidden factors quietly destroying your vascular health right now, without you even realizing it at all today. Let us dive deep into the first hidden factor, which is the crucial balance between potassium and sodium inside your human body. It is not just about reducing salt consumption. A severe lack of potassium makes it extremely difficult for kidneys to excrete sodium. Without enough potassium from fresh foods, your blood vessels struggle to relax, causing your overall blood pressure to rise significantly over time. To fix this dangerous imbalance, you must incorporate more fresh vegetables and fruits into your daily diet to protect your cardiovascular system. The second hidden factor is chronic stress. When you are constantly stressed, your body produces high levels of cortisol throughout the day. Cortisol makes your delicate blood vessels highly sensitive to adrenaline, forcing them to constrict and elevate your blood pressure to dangerous levels. Furthermore, this stress hormone promotes the accumulation of visceral fat around your internal organs, which directly contributes to prolonged high blood pressure. Managing stress through mindful breathing or daily meditation can significantly lower your cortisol levels and protect your fragile arteries from silent damage. The third factor involves your sleep quality. Have you ever heard of the dangerous phenomenon known among experts as non-dipping sleep? Normally, your blood pressure should drop by 10 to 20% while you are sleeping peacefully during the night to recover fully. However, if you suffer from insufficient sleep or severe snoring, this essential nighttime pressure drop simply does not happen for your body. Sleep apnea prevents your vascular system from resting properly, greatly increasing your long-term risk of experiencing a sudden fatal heart attack. Improving your sleep hygiene and treating sleep apnea are absolutely critical steps to ensure your blood pressure drops naturally during the night. The fourth hidden danger is sitting for prolonged periods. Modern lifestyles force us to remain seated for many hours at a desk. Continuous sitting dramatically reduces the natural signals that tell your body to produce nitric oxide, a vital molecule for your vascular health. Nitric oxide is responsible for keeping your blood vessels flexible and wide open, allowing blood to flow smoothly without any dangerous resistance. When nitric oxide levels drop due to inactivity, your blood vessels become stiff, forcing your heart to pump much harder every second. The simplest solution to this modern problem is to stand up and move around for a few minutes every single half hour. Taking short walking breaks keeps your blood flowing and ensures your body continues to produce enough nitric oxide to maintain healthy pressure. The fifth hidden factor involves your daily environment, specifically the continuous exposure to loud traffic noise and artificial blue light at night. Constant background noise from busy city streets activates a low-level stress response in your brain, keeping your nervous system highly alert. This perpetual state of alertness prevents your blood pressure from dropping to healthy resting levels, even when you are trying to relax. Meanwhile, staring at bright screens before bed exposes you to intense blue light, which directly suppresses your natural melatonin production every night. Without sufficient melatonin, your sleep quality plummets, entirely destroying the vital recovery cycle your blood vessels desperately need to function properly tomorrow. You can protect yourself by using earplugs to block noise and wearing blue light blocking glasses during the late evening hours daily. The sixth factor is something surprisingly natural, which is your daily exposure to direct sunlight and its hidden benefits for vascular health. When ultraviolet A rays from the sun touch your skin, they trigger a fascinating chemical reaction that releases stored nitric oxide immediately. This released nitric oxide goes straight into your bloodstream, causing your blood vessels to dilate and lower your pressure almost instantly today. This incredible vascular relaxation process happens entirely independent of vitamin D production, highlighting a unique and powerful benefit of natural sunlight exposure. Spending just 15 to 20 minutes outdoors in the morning sun can provide a significant and natural drop in your blood pressure. The seventh and final hidden factor is alcohol consumption, which is a direct toxin that severely damages the delicate lining of arteries. Regular drinking causes your blood vessel walls to become stiff and rigid, making it much harder for blood to flow through them. Alcohol also overstimulates your sympathetic nervous system, keeping your body in a constant state of high alert and elevating your resting pressure. Even moderate alcohol intake can disrupt your vascular health significantly, so cutting back is one of the fastest ways to lower pressure. Many patients notice a rapid and measurable improvement in their blood pressure readings within just a few weeks of completely eliminating alcohol. Now that we have explored these 7 hidden factors, it is crucial to understand how they interact and compound within your body. A diet low in potassium combined with chronic daily stress creates a perfect storm for severe vascular damage over a long period. Add poor sleep quality and a sedentary lifestyle to that mix, and your heart is forced to work against immense unseen resistance. The good news is that every single one of these hidden risk factors is entirely within your own power to control today. Start by making small but meaningful changes, like eating a fresh banana for breakfast to instantly boost your essential morning potassium intake. Incorporate a brief 5-minute stretching routine into your busy workday to effectively lower cortisol levels and calm your anxious nervous system. Set a simple alarm on your phone to remind yourself to stand up and walk around the office every 30 minutes faithfully. This simple habit alone will trigger the release of nitric oxide, keeping your blood vessels flexible and perfectly healthy throughout the day. When evening approaches, make a conscious effort to dim the bright lights in your home to prepare your brain for deep sleep. Put away your smartphone and tablet at least 1 hour before bedtime to avoid the harmful blue light that destroys sleep quality. If you live near a busy street, consider investing in a white noise machine to mask disruptive sounds and protect your rest. Ensure your bedroom is completely dark and cool, creating the perfect sanctuary for your blood pressure to naturally dip during the night. Tomorrow morning, step outside and let the gentle sunshine warm your skin for just a few minutes before starting your busy schedule. This small dose of morning sunlight will activate the nitric oxide reserves in your skin, giving your cardiovascular system an immediate boost. Regarding alcohol, try replacing your evening glass of wine with a soothing cup of herbal tea to help your blood vessels relax. Your heart works tirelessly every single second of your life, pumping life-giving blood to every single cell inside your human body. It deserves to be protected from these invisible threats that slowly erode its strength and compromise your long-term health and vitality. Let us review the primary takeaways from Dr. Alex to ensure you can implement these life-saving strategies into your daily routine easily. First, remember that balancing potassium with sodium is far more important than just blindly cutting out salt from your favorite daily meals. Second, actively manage your daily stress levels to keep toxic cortisol from tightening your arteries and straining your fragile cardiovascular network constantly. Third, prioritize high-quality sleep to allow your blood pressure to dip naturally, giving your hardworking heart a much-needed nightly break. Fourth, break the dangerous habit of prolonged sitting by moving frequently to keep that essential nitric oxide flowing through your vascular system. Fifth, protect your sleep environment from urban noise and glowing screens to ensure your body produces enough melatonin for optimal overnight recovery. Sixth, embrace the morning sun to unlock the hidden nitric oxide stores in your skin, naturally dilating your blood vessels without medication. Seventh, eliminate or severely restrict alcohol consumption to prevent your arteries from becoming rigid and keep your nervous system calm and balanced. High blood pressure does not have to be an inevitable part of aging if you take proactive steps to protect your body. By addressing these 7 hidden factors, you are building a strong foundation for a longer, healthier, and much more vibrant life ahead. Share this vital information with your friends and family members who might be unknowingly damaging their cardiovascular health through these common habits. Awareness is the very first step toward prevention, and your shared knowledge could literally save someone from a devastating sudden heart attack. We highly encourage you to consult with your healthcare provider before making any drastic changes to your diet or daily exercise routine. Every person is completely unique, and a personalized medical approach is always the best way to manage your specific blood pressure needs. However, adding more vegetables, moving more often, and sleeping better are universally beneficial practices that will definitely improve your overall well-being. Take charge of your vascular health today by implementing just one of these simple hidden strategies into your lifestyle. Starting this evening. Once you master one habit, gradually introduce another until you have optimized your entire routine for maximum cardiovascular protection and longevity successfully. Remember, true health is not just about avoiding sickness. It is about actively nurturing your body to thrive in every possible way. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive breakdown of the silent threats to your blood pressure and how to defeat them. Stay healthy, keep moving, and do not forget to subscribe to Vital Health Guide for more essential medical insights and wellness tips.